Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got another 4 amp Dewalt battery, and I'm doing this video to show you why sometimes the jump start doesn't work. This 4 amp battery is showing only 9.6 volts, so that's very low. So we're going to try the usual jump start method, but before we dive in with that, I'm going to show you it's not going. No. One power drill won't even put on the LED. Charger just puts on a fully charged light as if it's fully charged. Usually I recommend that you open the battery and test the individual cells before you do the jump start, but I'm going to just dive straight in this time for the sake of this video. And the worst sign we had there is there's no spark, and usually when you get no spark, that means the jump start's not going to work and it's not doing anything for you because you have dead banks of cells somewhere in the pack. So we just got to open it now and see what can be done, if anything. That's it out of the pack now. Try and do a little individual cell volt check, well, individual banks of cells anyway. .2 volts, that's low. 3.59, that's good. 3.6, that's good. 3.6, that's good. 3.6, that's good. It looks like this end bank of cells has given up the ghost. I've pulled these two cells out of the pack and I've checked the voltage on them. It's even worse than I thought. There's basically nothing in them. There's nothing in either of them, so them's for the jump box, you know. However, I have these two, which are about the same voltage as the ones in the pack, so I could put them in just to see. The circuit board could still be away, but I'll know better when I fit these to the pack, so you can get it to charge. with all the cells connected up, we're getting 18 volts, which is not bad. So we'll put it together and see if anything comes of it. Working the tool anyway. This charging. Yep, good job. So we'll leave that for a little while and see if it takes a full charge. Right, that's fully charged now. So we'll take it off and quickly put the voltmeter on it. We're hoping for over 20 volts here. So cross your fingers, everyone. Yeah, that's perfect. 20.2 volts is what we have. Oh, 20.2, that's right. Anyhow, the battery indicator's not working. We replaced the two cells and it seems to have done the job just fine. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.